Another great trade, 438 pips, thanks to FOREX TRENDY. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make money with Forex trading. I know the sad reality of many traders and many beginners, of course. They are losing money with bad trades. They don't know where to start. They don't have strategies. So this is my advice to start trading with the trend. And this is what I'm gonna do today. I will show you this one simple method, and you will see soon. Okay. Many guys want to trade when market is not trending, and they don't have the right strategy. They are not using the right patterns to spot good trades, and they take bad entries. Okay, and this is not good because you will lose a lot of money if you don't know what to do and if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. For today, I'm gonna use one of my favorite online software. Its name is FOREX TRENDY. It's a FOREX trend scanner. Okay, it's able to recognize trends, and it's working with 34 Forex pairs plus 3 commodities: oil, gold, and silver. Okay, and it also recognizes patterns. Okay, like flags, wedges, and triangles. In fact, now I'm going to show you good trades that I took lately thanks to this online software. Okay, let's start. The first one is the USD and the Danish krone on the 30-minute time frames. Okay, you will find all the time frames from 1 minute to the monthly one, and as you can see here, we have a green arrow. It means that we have an uptrend on this time frame. The pattern is a flag. We have a buy signal. The break at 6.7859. Okay. I will show you this trade on my TradingView account, but before doing this, I want to tell you another thing. Below the chart, you will find the Fibonacci targets. Okay, because many beginners are not very comfortable with the extensions, so you will find suggestions. Okay, for each level there will be a target. Okay, a take profit, and let's jump to TradingView. Okay, this is the USD and Danish krone 30-minute time frame. So as you can see here, we have the flag, and I took this trade. I put my take profit here on the 1.618 level of Fibonacci, and I put my stop loss just below this structure here, where the price was bouncing 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And don't copy other people trades, guys, because there is a reason why I put the stop loss there and take profit at the 1.618 level. Okay. You need to have a strategy, a profitable strategy. Okay, you have to backtest it and see if it's working, if it's profitable, and then use it. Okay, my suggestion if you're a beginner is to use the demo mode. Okay, the demo account. You have to do paper trading before and see how it works. So as you can see here, for me, this is the easiest way to begin. Okay, because we are going to trade with continuation patterns on the trending markets, so there is less risk to take bad trades. Okay, and another important thing you have to know is that this software is very good because because the trend lines are quite good are very good. Okay, why? Because most of the time they got more than 2-3 touching points. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down here 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So it means that they are very good, and the signals are high quality signals. Another thing I want to show you is that I want to tell you, okay, is that I don't like when people put the stop loss just below the breakout, because many times you will see pullbacks. Okay, as you can see, the price is gonna retest the trend line, and sometimes it breaks and comes back and then it goes up. This was not the that time. Okay, if you put the stop loss just below, just down here, you're gonna get ejected from the trade. So this was a very good one. Um, we we earned 438 pips. So it was a very good trade, a very good day. I don't wanna be a scammer, so I'll be honest with you. You are not gonna win all the trades, of course. This is trading. This is why you need to have a good strategy and to protect your capital with the stop loss. Okay, so you will incur in bad trades too. Okay, you have to filter some signals. Okay, but I'll show you how to get more high quality signals. Okay, this online software is very good, and I'm gonna show you other proofs. Okay, let's jump to let me see the Australian dollar and the Canadian on a 1 hour time frame. We have a triangle. A sell signal because we have a downtrend. The break at 0.8981, so was another good one. I put my take profit at level 1.618. Yes, and I gained 45 pips. This was a very good operation for me because the risk reward was 2.66. The previous operation had a similar risk reward, 2.55. So this is the way I like to trade, with a good risk reward ratio. Okay, I'm going to risk, but I need to have a very good risk reward ratio. If it's 1-to-1, it's not a good trade. Let's take a look at another one, the Australian dollar and the USD on the 1 hour time frame. Let me see if, yes, it's still here, because I will show you later another huge trade, but I'm not finding the chart here, but I saved the screenshot. Okay, so we have a triangle sell signal, break at 0.6748. And as you can see, the price reached the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Okay, another good trade with 38 pips and a risk reward of 1.5. Okay, you see how simple it is. Okay, to trade with continuation patterns. You have a trend, the software spots the pattern. You decide if it is a good situation for your trading plan and your strategies. Okay, and you get in. You protect your trade with a stop loss. Okay, and you avoid emotions. This is the way you should operate on trading. Okay, on markets. So I want to show you this amazing trade. I am on the euro and the Turkish lira on a 1 hour time frame. It was a very good one because came home with 1,307 pips with a risk reward of 2.65. Okay, I found the screenshot. As you can see, the euro and the Turkish lira, 1 hour time frame, a rising wedge, sell signal, and this was the signal provided by FOREX Trendy. Okay, you see the rising wedge here. Okay, I wasn't finding this on the member page because they are always updating the new completed patterns. So, but I fortunately I was recording another video and I saved the screenshot. So this is my advice to start with a demo account if you are not comfortable with if you are new. Okay, if you are not comfortable to invest immediately your money, you should always stop loss, protect your trades, your capital. And if you go here on settings, you can choose the forex pairs you want to trade with. You will find the most common one and the exotic ones, okay, plus the commodities. Down here there are the time frames. You can select, for example, the 1 minute, 5 minute time frames if you are scalping, okay. And if you want to receive very good signal, then you can click on medium or high or highest. Okay, you're gonna receive less signals, but their quality will be higher. If you click on lowest, then you will have to filter many signals. Okay, but I like this software. I'm using it since a long time, and it's a very reliable software. You won't become rich overnight. I'm not promising you that you will get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are gonna do your homework, you're gonna have a lot of satisfactions. Another good thing I like about this FOREX Trendy is that you can also perform a trend following. Okay, you will receive alerts when a trend on these forex pairs will fall below. You will decide the value. Okay, I selected 15%. Okay, because I don't like to follow trends with a drawdown higher than 15%. But there are many traders out there that trade with 20-25% drawdown. This is the page dedicated to trends, and as you can see here, we have the USD and the Turkish lira 5 minute time frame. We have an uptrend. The drawdown is perfect, 15%, and below the chart you got a lot of useful information, because you will see all the drawdowns and the trend direction on all the time frames. Okay, so let's suppose I want to enter the trend with my trend following strategy. What I'm gonna do is to look at the 15 minute time frame and the 30 minutes. I will check the situation, the general picture, what is going on the other time frames. Okay, another good thing of this company, okay, is that you will receive a weekly update and a weekly lesson, and they will teach you how to use this online software correctly, how to filter signals, and many other useful things you have to know to earn money. Okay, if you want to subscribe, you can get it for a very good price. You will pay only $3 per week for 3 months, so $36 quarterly. You can find the link below the video. If you are watching this video on my website forexexpert.net, you can click on the image below the video. Okay, so when you click on the image, you will land on their homepage. You will find some very interesting video. They're gonna explain you why you should trade it with trend, how does it work inside, and you scroll down the page and click on add to cart, and as you can see, they have a 60-day money back guarantee. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Push the like button, subscribe to my channel, I will upload more content. So from Italy is everything. Good trading everybody. Bye bye.